In case you didn't already know, the Mercedes-Benz G-Class, yes, the one that's just been replaced with an all-new model, is one of the world's most expensive SUVs. Buying a brand new one in the US will set you back at least $123,600, which is the base price for the entry-level G550 version, and that's before you start ticking any boxes in the options list. Now, if you don't mind missing out on some of the latest Mercedes-Benz gadgets, opting to purchase an older model G-Class at an auction could turn out to be a smart move, and since the German brand has kept the styling practically intact for many years, it would take a trained eye to spot that it's 14 years old. For example, take a look at this 2003 model we found on Bring a Trailer. The seller has listed the car without reserve, and with 4 days still left, the highest bid is $17,000, a number that will obviously go up as the auction nears its end. After looking at a bunch of 2003 to 2006 G500 models with more than 100,000 miles, 160,000 kilometers, on the clock on both Auto Trader and eBay Motors, we found that a lot of them are priced somewhere between $35,000 and $40,000, so we wouldn't be surprised if eventually it sells for a similar amount. Finished in silver gray with a gray leather interior, this G500 has 133,800 miles, 215,330 kilometers, on the clock, and aside from the tinted windows, it's being described as stock. Other features include the OEM split 5-spoke alloys, power sunroof, dual-zone climate control, power seats, sat-nav and plenty more. This example is powered by a naturally aspirated 5.0-liter V8 that's good for 292 horsepower and 336 pounds-to-foot, 455 Newton-meters, of torque. It's certainly nowhere near as quick as a modern-day G550, but, apart from the performance, you will still be getting the G-Wagon experience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.